Hi friends, how are you all today? Okay, today I am going to show you how to work in different desktops instead of working in one desktop. Here you can see one desktop I'm working, and I have desktop 1 and desktop 2. And you will think what the use of this one. If you are a designer or a video editor, if you want to work in Photoshop and Premiere Pro, or else you want After Effects or GarageBand or anything you want to work in, if you want to work in different platform, it will be difficult if you work in one desktop itself. So instead of minimizing and all, you can work in different desktops. I'll show you how it happens. So here I'm opening Photoshop in my desktop 1. Okay, it's opened. Okay, this is my desktop 1, and in desktop 2 I will open Illustrator. Okay, Illustrator, here is Illustrator. Okay, it's opening. Yeah. Okay, it is okay. Let it open. So here in Photoshop, here in desktop 1 we can see Photoshop, and if you go to desktop 2 you can see Illustrator 2. So what's the easiness of this is, either you can swipe by using three fingers from left to right, so or right to left. Okay, it depends on which desktop you have chosen. If you have chosen desktop 2, you have to swipe from right to left, and if you have chosen desktop 1, you have to swipe from left to right, because in left side there is no any desktop, in right side only we have desktop, vice versa. Okay, so here I have chosen this one. You have to use three fingers and you have to swipe from left to right, and otherwise you can swipe by these three fingers to upwards. So look, we will see desktop 1 and desktop 2 here. And for choosing that kind of option, I mean to swipe by three fingers, you can go to system preference in Apple logo. Here you can see Apple logo. Go to system preference, and here you can see trackpad. Click on it, and I already have ticked this one, mark this one. This using three fingers you can swipe up to see the desktop, and you can even split the windows you are working. Okay, that's options you can explore here. There are lots of options here. It is easy. If you click on it itself, they will show you an trail here, so it is easy to understand, so I am not explaining it now. Okay, so this is it. And if you want to create desktop, more desktop, just swipe up again and go to this one. Here you will see plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, another desktop is created. And if you don't want this desktop, just close like a window. Look, I am closing the desktop. Yeah, I just closed. Yeah. So now we are working on two desktops. Here I am working on Photoshop, and in another desktop I am working in Illustrator. So that's it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is I don't know whether it is available in other Mac OS, because I am using Mac OS Big Sur version 11.2.3. It is new one. When I angered to my friends, they told these facilities are also available in their Mac previous versions. If you have any doubts creating this desktop and all, please just comment me. I will give you reply. And okay, before that you have to go to system preference in Apple icon, and you have to click on trackpad, and you have to choose the option mission control. You can choose other options, depends on your needs, and it is available in preview. Okay, so thank you. That's it for today. Okay, subscribe, follow, like, and share your love.